Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can download music on Spotify. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, we're going to need to have a Spotify account, but actually not a normal Spotify account. You need to have a Spotify premium account. Other than that, you cannot download music at all for Spotify and listen to it offline at all unless you have a Spotify premium account. Other than that, you can't do it. So let me show you how you can do it if you have a Spotify premium account. Now I'm going to show you how you can download the music on Spotify. So first of all, you're going to launch up Spotify, okay? And once you're in Spotify, you're going to go to whatever library, or you're going to go to your library, and whatever playlist you want to download your music on. You're going. Let's say I'm going to go like this, and as you can see, you have something called a download over here. Once I click on it, it's going to start download your music and listen to it without Wi-Fi and save your mobile data with premium. And as I told you, you need to have a premium plan. And once you have a premium plan, once you click on this download, you're going to save your music. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.